How to resolve Sophos installation and uninstallation issue. Step 1. First, you need to disable tamper protection. To do this, click on the Windows search bar, then search and open Settings. Step 2. Type in Recover in the search bar and open Recovery options. Step 3. Click Restart Now in the Advanced Startup section. Step 4. Select Troubleshoot, then click Advanced Options. Step 5. Next, select Command Prompt and choose your account to proceed. Step 6. Enter the password and click Continue. Step 7. In the Administrator window, enter and press Enter. Step 8. Next, enter and press Enter. Step 9. Type Exit, press Enter and select Continue. Step 10. Click on the Windows search button again, search Services, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Step 11. In the Services window, right-click on Sophos Antivirus Program and select Properties. Step 12. Set the startup type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Step 13. Right-click Sophos MCS Agent and select Properties. Step 14. Set the startup type to Disabled, then click Apply and OK to save the changes. Step 15. Click the Windows Start button, search Regedit and open Registry Editor. Step 16. Select Yes in the User Account Control window. Step 17. Click File in the Registry Editor window and select Import. Step 18. Go to Desktop, type in the file name as Registry Backup and click Save. Step 19. Use the navigation bar and access. Step 20. Select the Start folder, set the value data to 4 and click OK. Step 21. Next, navigate to. Step 22. Select SAV Enable, set the value data to 0 and press OK. Step 23. Repeat the same steps for SCD enabled. Step 24. Now, navigate to. Step 25. Select Enabled, set the value data to 0 and press OK. Step 26. Once done, click on the Windows search bar, search Control Panel and open it. Step 27. Set the view by to large icons, then select Programs and Features. Step 28. Select a Sophos application and click Uninstall. Step 29. Click Yes to allow the app to make changes. Step 30. Select Uninstall in the pop-up window and the uninstallation process will take a while. Step 31. Once the uninstallation is completed successfully, click Close and the system will restart. Step 32. Now try to install Sophos on your system. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirustales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.